Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vita Mahjong if the app keeps crashing. So first, completely close the Vita Mahjong app and open it again. And if it still crashes, try restarting your phone. Next, check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and your mobile data. You should also open your app store and check whether a Vita Mahjong update is available. And if there is an update, install it and then try opening the game again. Then you need to make sure your phone has enough free storage as well. On iPhone, you may need to offload or reinstall the app instead. Before reinstalling, make sure your game progress is connected to an account or another supported backup methods so you don't risk losing your progress. Also check whether your phone is running a supported version of the operating system. And if the game still crashes after all these steps, then the issue could be with the app itself. So those are the main ways to troubleshoot Vita Mahjong crashes. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.